The magic wand. We will commence our study by a careful investigation of the original meaning of the words magic wand. Magic comes from the Latin magi and the Greek word magos, which means wise, learned in the mysteries, and was the synonym of wisdom. The term wand is an old Saxon word which primarily signifies to set in motion, to move. From this we derive our word wander, i.e., to roam, and wandering, i.e., moving, and continually restless. We have now the original, therefore real, meaning of the words magic wand. Thus, an object that sets in motion the powers of the magician. It is a magnetic, electric conductor for the magician's will. It directs the flow of his thought and concentrates it upon a given point in space or an object. It is, magically, what the sights of a rifle are to a sportsman. It enables him to focus his powers with exact precision upon the mark against which, or upon which, his will is directed. Apart from this, there is no power per se in the wand itself, any more than there is in a lightning conductor without the electric storm. In a properly prepared wand lies the most powerful weapon to protect or destroy that can be placed within a magician's hands. With his own spiritual force and knowledge, combined with the magic power attached to the instrument, nothing can withstand its power when directed with a determined and powerful will. Many substances have been employed in the manufacture of these magic wands. Metals or stones will not serve this purpose unless covered with some organic matter. In any case, stones are worthless. The very finest wands are made from the live ivory of a female elephant. A short wand, 21 inches long, tipped with gold at the largest end and silver or copper at the other, is very powerful. Next to these costly articles are wands with a gold or copper core, a wire, in fact, cased with ebony, boxwood, rosewood, cedar, or sandalwood. English yew also serves the purpose. So does almond wood. Simpler, less expensive, and almost as effective are wands made of witch hazel. In fact, apart from the wands of live ivory, I consider that witch hazel is as powerful as the golden wand. Next in force to this witch hazel are the shoots of the almond tree, and lastly, the peach and swamp willow. The proper time to manufacture a magic wand is whenever you can find the person who is able to do the work. But after it is constructed, it must be thoroughly magnetized with proper ceremony and aspiration. The first or the second full moon after the sun enters Capricorn at midnight, when the moon will be culminating in her own sign upon the mid-heaven. The best time to cut a shoot of witch hazel or other material for a wand is the first full moon after the sun's entry into Capricorn at midnight, and then magnetize it upon the next full moon at the same hour. In conclusion, let us repeat that the magic wand is but the highly sensitive magical medium for transmitting and concentrating the force of the learned magician, that it is equally powerful under great excitement of mind, whether used consciously or not. The stream of mental fire will go in the direction the wand happens to be pointed, and therefore should never be in the hands of the wicked or foolish. any more than firearms.